help impact your fat loss, how it can help you build lean mass, how it can help you boost not only your metabolism but also your immunity. And we all know it's all about immunity when it comes to protecting yourself and healing yourself from disease. So what exactly is rest-based training? Firstly, gone are the days where walking on a treadmill or working out on an elliptical for 30 to 45 minutes is beneficial enough for your body if your goal is fat loss, if your goal is to break the weight loss plateau that everyone reaches. And I should talk about that for a couple of seconds. Everyone reaches a weight loss plateau. That's how the body functions. When you're losing weight too quickly or sometimes even slowly, at a specific point, your body resists you from losing weight. Of hormonal issues, anything can cause a weight loss plateau, and everyone goes through it. So if you're one of those people going through a weight loss plateau, remember, you're not the only person. But now you got to find out a way of how you can shock your body. That's usually through nutrition or changing your workout plan and break through that plateau. So let's come back to what rest-based training is. Today, if you look at the conventional way of working out, if you go to a gym, you warm up, you lift a couple of weights, and then you're usually told by your trainer to walk on a treadmill for half an hour or 15 minutes on the treadmill, 15 minutes on the elliptical, 15 minutes on some other machine. Any movement is good movement, but if you're looking for these specific goals, it's not going to cut it for you. Definitely not. We need to understand how weight loss happens and why extended periods of cardio is actually detrimental to your goal. The more cardio you do, the more hungry you feel, which means you have to eat. But when people are trying to lose weight, they try to eat less and exercise more. And that's what cripples your metabolism. You lose 2, 3, 4 kilos and then all of a sudden stagnated. And sometimes you even put on weight. Now, in rest-based training, we need to understand that it is all about stimulating muscle fiber. Whatever exercise you do, it should result in stimulating muscle fiber. You don't have to just lift weights for this. Something as simple as push-ups, something as simple as lunges or squats or planking or a pull-up is enough to stimulate your muscle fiber. Now, when you stimulate your muscle fiber, the protein from the food that you eat gets broken down to amino acids, which repairs those muscle fibers, giving it growth and size, and you get something called body tone. Now, the more body tone you have, the more lean mass you have, the more muscle you have, your body also produces a hormone called HGH, which is human growth hormone. And the more you have of that, the higher your metabolic rate is, which is why you will constantly burn fat at any given period of time when you have that amount of lean mass or muscle fiber. So how do you generate this muscle fiber? Again, there are 2 ways of working out. You do a set of weights or you do a set of exercise, then you take a break and then you restart that same set again. In rest-based training, you stimulate muscle fiber as much as you can, and then you rest as much as you need to, so that your second set, you hit it at the same intensity as the first. So what's happening is you're re-stimulating that same muscle fiber again and again. Now, a rest-based training workout won't last you for more than 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Let me give you an example of how it works. So, for example, you decide to do as many squats as you can in 45 seconds. And then you rest just enough so that you can do as many squats, if not the same amount, even more, in another 45 seconds. So the conventional way of workout is we do squats, and then our second set we do a fewer squats, and then we do a fewer squats because our body gets fatigued. But over here, you do as many squats as you can in 45 seconds, and you rest as much as you need so that you recover, you allow your muscles to recover, and then you can hit that next set with the same intensity. So you stimulate your fiber with that same intensity, and that's how you have lean mass growth. That's how you have muscular growth. Now, this works on a science called EPOC, that is exercise post-oxygen consumption. When your workouts work on this science, guess what? You burn calories, you burn fat. Your metabolic activity is stimulated for 16 to 24 hours after your workout. For some people, that can go on for even 2 days, depending on how intense your workout was. Now, many people can't do intensive workouts, so this may not be for them. But for all of you who can and you're looking to break through that plateau, try rest-based training. So let me give you an example. 15 minutes is all you need to keep aside for your workout. Now in those 15 minutes, select 4 or 5 of your favorite exercises. It could be squats, it could be mountain climbers, it could be lunges, it could be jump squats, it could be jump lunges, it could be rows, it could be push-ups, it could be pull-ups. Use your body weight. And then 45 seconds, as many as you can do, comfortable pace. And then rest as much as you need to, and then again, as many as you can do in 45 seconds. So you're allowing recovery and you're stimulating those muscle fibers, and you repeat that process for 15 minutes and you will lose fat. You will break through that plateau. You will start leaning up. You will start looking leaner. Not only that, you'll boost your metabolic activity as well as your immunity. Now, how is this difficult from running? A lot of people choose running as an exercise. I have no problem with anything that gets you to move and not be sitting in one place. But for example, you plan a 5K run. So in that 5K, you're also going to pace yourself out because you need to finish 5K. So you're not going to run 5K at one consistent intensity. You're going to pace yourself because you have that target to finish 5K. Okay, so that pacing takes intensity off your entire exercise model. Over here, you're continuing 15 minutes with that same hard intensity. And you can do it because you allow yourself to rest. You do it because you allow yourself to recover. And recovery is everything when it comes to increasing productivity as well as the growth of your muscles and efficient use of your metabolism. So try this out for the next 1 week. Break away from your normal programs. Do this every alternate day, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays to start with. In between, you can do a little bit of yoga or a 30-minute walk or some stretching or some Pilates. But every alternate day, rest-based training. Select 15 minutes, select 20 minutes. Make a little chart. What are your favorite exercises? And put yourself in the rest-based model and see how it works for you. You may feel a little hungry after these workouts, so what should you do? You should eat because you need recovery and energy from that food you eat to recover from the workout that you did. So it is okay to rest, especially when you have high intensity workouts. Now this is different from the 4-minute Tabata workout. That's completely different. That science is completely different. We're trying to get a lot more done in 4 minutes. Over here you got 15 minutes and you rest as much as you need to so you can work out with the same intensity throughout your workout and see how that works for your body. Please understand, weight loss is about your hormones. The more body tone you have, the higher your metabolic activity. You can't be working out for 1 hour in the gym and then sitting for 9 to 10 hours. That cripples your metabolic activity completely in the body. And it is all about the energy in your muscles and in your cells. So try this rest-based training. Let me know how it works for you. Everyone have a great weekend. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep.